Good morning, everyone. Respected principal, teachers, parents, and all my dear friends. I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. On this occasion, I would like to thank my teachers for giving me an opportunity to speak about this day. This day is the most important day for all of us because on this day in 1947, India gained independence from British rule. We gained independence after a series of movements in which many freedom fighters sacrificed their lives. So we remember our great freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Lokmanya Tilak, Lala Lajpat Rai, Rani Lakshmi Bai, and many others devoted their entire life for the independence of our country. Independence Day is a national festival and it is also a public holiday. On this day, flag hoisting ceremonies, parades by armed force and school children etc. held in different parts of our country. The main celebration is held in the national capital New Delhi at the Red Fort before the political and social dignitaries of India. The Prime Minister of India unfurls the national flag and addresses the nation with the speech. Also, national anthem is sung after the Prime Minister hoists the flag and salute is given to the national flag. On this time, flowers are showered via helicopter. This is all done to pay homage to the national superheroes, freedom fighters of our nation. Moreover, grandest parades also held at Rajpath in New Delhi. Celebrating Independence Day is upheld in India so that the upcoming generations are aware of the sacrifice once made to make this country a better place to live for us. So, this day remarks the respect to our freedom fighters and is very special occasion to every citizen of India. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Good morning, everyone. Respected chief guest, principal, teachers, parents, and all my dear friends. First of all, I wish you a very happy Independence Day. I feel great pride to present this speech. This is the most important day for all Indians because on this day in 1947, we got independence from British rule. As we know, our great freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose, Lala Lajpat Rai, and many others devoted their entire life for the independence of our country. Today, we are fortunate that we are born in an independent country and we have our own fundamental rights. Our brave soldiers fight continuously on borders to protect our country. So, it is our responsibility to sincerely perform our duty and hard work together for the growth and development of our country. Freedom does not mean that we can do anything we want without regard for others. Freedom does not mean that we can earn money by crook or we can indulge in corrupt practice. Freedom means using the opportunities that our nation provides to do our best in our field so that this great nation prospers. I urge all my dear friends not to misuse this freedom. Freedom is a gift and must be cherished. Our forefathers fought bravely to gain it for us. Surely the day is not far when our country will be strong and powerful in every field. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.